Here is where you provide details about the financial history, budget, and projections for your salon. Any potential investors or leaders will be especially interested in this section of your salon business plan. When writing this section, you should include your financial plan for your salon for the next 3 to 5 years, as well as your financial history going back 3 to 5 years. If the salon has income, include financial statements. You should also include potential funding sources and your plan for keeping your salon running. A good budget is the foundation for any effective financial plan. A budget allows you to distribute resources like time and funds effectively. A good budget also allows you to make better decisions about saving and spending and set goals for your finances. Start by identifying all the sources of income for your salon. This includes product sales, service fees, and so on. Then identify all the expenses your salon has, like rent, salaries, supplies, and other operational costs. You could make a category for expenses that are always the same, like rent, and another for expenses that vary from month to month, like supplies. This might help you to see patterns and identify areas where you could cut back on some costs. Once you have identified all your income and expenses, then you can set goals. From time to time, check your progress against your budget to see how you're doing and if you can make any further adjustments. Adding income streams is a good way to increase revenue. These are a few options you could explore. Subscriptions. Charge fees for a set period or time instead of per transaction. Advertising. Promote certain brands in store and online. Freemium plans. Certain services are free and premium services cost extra. Third-party licensing. Give third parties the right to use or sell your patented products. Renting or leasing. Rent out assets, for example, real estate or products for a price. As you create your financial projections, factor in the demand in the market and the volume of customers. You should also include your pricing strategy for the products and services you offer. It would be helpful to go back and review your sales history. Then you can isolate specific trends. This will help you make more sound financial decisions moving forward. It would also be helpful to do some research on the current market. There are a variety of options when it comes to alternative funding sources for your salon. Each option has pros and cons. Some options include loans, grants, crowdfunding, or partnerships. Loans may offer somewhat low interest rates. However, it's important to find out what they require for collateral or how strict the repayment terms are. Grants can offer funds that you don't have to repay, but they might have strict eligibility requirements and limits on how you can use the funds. Crowdfunding can get you funds from a pool of investors, but it might mean sharing control of ownership of your salon. Partnerships can get you access to extra capital and more expertise. On the downside, partnerships can mean profit sharing. You may also have to consult with your partners before you make decisions. If you want your salon business plan to have success, it is vital that you manage your expenses carefully. To maximize your earnings, you have to optimize your expenses and control the costs your salon faces. This is the only way to make sure that your salon remains financially stable. Regularly review your expenses and identify ways to cut costs without sacrificing quality. Be on the lookout for chances to negotiate better deals on supplies and cut out on unnecessary expenses. For example, could you choose equipment that is more energy efficient? Is there a way you could maximize the lifespan of the products you use and cut back on supply costs? The management and organization plan is the backbone of your salon business plan. It shows how your salon will operate and reach its goals. This section gives an in-depth look of the salon's management team, including their qualifications, experience, and roles inside the salon. It also explains how the salon will be structured, how decisions will be made, and how different teams will work together. The salon's operational plan outlines the day-to-day procedures and practices that drive the smooth functioning of the salon. It covers all the essential operational aspects, from staff scheduling and client management to inventory control and quality assurance. The plan sets out who's responsible for what, so everyone works together like a team to give customers the best service. It includes strategies for optimizing appointment bookings, managing walk-ins, and handling peak hours efficiently. Moreover, the operational plan addresses health and safety protocols, emphasizing the importance of maintaining a clean and hygienic environment for both clients and staff. As a forward-thinking salon owner, integrating booking software into your daily operations isn't just a tech-savvy move, it's a strategic investment that brings a myriad of benefits to your business. Booking software simplifies the appointment process, allowing clients to schedule services seamlessly. With real-time updates, your staff can manage and optimize appointments, reducing the risk of scheduling conflicts and ensuring a smooth workflow. Also, booking software enables you to create and manage staff schedules effortlessly. With automated notifications and reminders, your team stays informed, reducing scheduling conflicts and enhancing overall productivity. Not to mention that clients appreciate the convenience of booking online, as it allows them to be in charge of everything. They can choose services, select preferred staff members, and book appointments at their convenience.